I apologize for the sound going on in the background. There's no way around it. For this week, we only have class one day, so there's not a lot to go over. If you are absent for whatever reason, I would like you to review and complete these documents. You can do that on your iPad with Notability. And then we are going to start finishing our videos up for our parent and student guide. And so keep an eye on that and keep looking on that. It might have some helpful information as you go forward. I know that's kind of just a brief overview. We're going over our digraphs that we reviewed on class last Thursday, whether they're voiced or voiceless, and we are also reading a few different articles and answering some questions on them. So the first one is on the Loch Ness Monster, Groundhog Day, and then the other one's on the Loch Ness Monster, and they're a little out of order on this, so I apologize. But if you have more questions, please reach out to me and let me know. Thank you.